Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am very happy to be with you today, live from the warehouse in Liers in the north of France to present a roll from Grover. Grover, which you probably already know, is a major retailer in Germany specializing in the rental of high-tech products. The products are rented from individuals for between 0 to 5 years. On average, it's 2 or 3 years of rental. They have many subcategories in high-tech, so then different qualities. It ranges from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional used. Read the blue bubbles at the bottom of the offer photos. It defines the quality for you. You will understand exactly if the products have defects or not, and if there are accessories, etc., etc. So look carefully. Also download the Excel file. With the product line, you will have a maximum of information. And today we opened a pallet of camera lenses. So a very, very nice batch. Be careful, it is non-functional. So as you can see, there are many brands. There is Sigma, Sony, Olympus. What else do I see? Canon. So the major brands that are well known. We opened the product here, a very large lens from Sigma. So 95% of the products have their original packaging, as you can see. There is even the pouch, the protective cover. You also have the original protective plastic. I remind you, it's a non-functional lot, and it's really a sample, one of the larger products that has value to show you. Look at the condition of the lens. There are no signs of wear, no impact, and yet it's non-functional. I know what's important is the lens glass. Here there are no micro scratches, maybe some light dust, but again, I won't touch it with my fingers. Just a quick wipe with a special cloth. And we will look at the rear lens, the rear window. Same, nothing at all. So the product is declared non-functional. It's up to you to decide if it is repairable or not. It's also up to you to test it upon receipt. Generally, we have good surprises with non-functional products. The products work and they are declared non-functional potentially by the buyer, the individual. So it's up to you to decide. In any case, it is classified as non-functional. So that was a batch of non-functional camera lenses. Make sure to read the quality definitions carefully. Feel free to chat with us through the bubble at the bottom right of your screen. Request a call back if necessary. We wish you very good auctions and see you soon.